just about to put our pressure test on here on our line set for the outdoor unit here, York outdoor unit for the dual fuel heat pump system we're installing for this customer. These systems are fantastic. This is a full modulating unit. Being dual fuel, it qualifies for the insane rebates that are being offered right now. Pretty much cuts the cost of the job in half. Real game changer for a lot of people because you can get a new furnace and a heat pump essentially for the cost of a new furnace. Yeah, we're just about to put our nitrogen pressure test on here and make sure we don't have any leaks before we charge with refrigerant.